For the first time ever, Pink Ink, you know, the designer of those wonderful stamps, is now doing a paper pack, and it's elephants, flamingos, and giraffes. That's right. Now, this is an 8x8 paper pad, and there are 24 sheets. There are 12 designs. You're going to get 2 of each one. So let me show you the 12 designs. Okay, look how glorious, absolutely. Very, very fun. This will be the perfect size. And it's nice to have the cutout, so that's always fun. These are single-sided, so just so that you've got that. And we go more. So very fun for card making, absolutely. You can make 2 cards out of this. And for the insides, everything is coordinated, as you can see. Very pretty. Lots of color. That's just what we would expect, and we're back to the first one. So that was all 12 of the designs. Remember, you're going to get 2 of each, and this is the very first from Pink Ink Designs from our friends at Creative Expressions.